Okay, guys, so this is something pretty interesting. 2008 A4. Yeah, it's not that bad, honestly. So we have there's the small side swipe. Seems like it. Yeah, a side skirt and a door, and this will buff out right there. I mean, okay, now there's some dents here a little bit, but again, it's not that bad. Let's look around. Let's see what we have here in the back. There's no damage in the back. Trunk. Oh, what is that? What is that for? No idea. Do not operate the lever if the convertible top is open. Oh, okay. Um. Yeah. And the trunk is so small. Oh. So let's see this side. It's it's pretty nice. On the inside, it's actually nice and clean. Can you believe it? Wow. I bought the books. That's nice. Wow. Yeah, the only damage in the front is just the swipe on the side. Wow, that's it. Okay. Let's see. Engine. I don't know. It big. The lights are on. What? Yeah, look at it. Perfect condition. All nice. Come on. This must be a bargain. Oh, the keys in. Okay. Starts right up. Oh, look at that. I have a Pioneer. Whoa. Calm down, buddy. This is good. Okay. This is stopped. Nope. Keep it quiet. Come on. Oh, why is beeping so much? Okay. Yeah. Let's see the moment. Let's see if this. Why is it so blurry? There we go. Can we? Oh man. Can we get the roof? Okay. The roof is working. Oh wow. Boom. Come on. Come on now. Oh yeah. Much better. Beautiful. Listen how it's running. Perfect. Come on now. If this is not a bargain, what is a bargain? For real, like this quarter panel, just looking at it, yeah, you have to come out, but it's an easy fix. Really easy fix. Let's see. Look at that. Come on. Bada beam, bada boom. This is where everything sits in the back. So you guys can see. Wow. The roof is in perfect condition as well. So, wow. Yep. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. I don't know what is with the convertibles, but man, this is awesome. This is awesome. Mileage 64,000 miles. Come on, guys. If this is not a bargain, what is bargain? Why these keys out? It's ridiculous. Couldn't keep it all together. Okay. Yeah, this is an awesome deal, guys. For real. One door, one side skirt, and this here can be, you know, pulled out a little bit of bundle, a little bit of this. Or if you guys want to do the entire quarter panel, that can be done as well. Because you can see just this little piece right here, and boom, and you have a deal. This is an awesome car, for real. Come on now, put it down in the comments. What do you guys think? Okay, on to the next one.